Hello everyone. As we have seen, crafting is much more than just an activity. It's a therapy for the mind, training for the brain, joy for the heart, and kindness for the planet. Whether you're crafting alone for relaxation, teaches your cares, or selling your creations, every project adds beauty and meaning to life. So pick up those brushes, needle, paper, and recycled material and start creating something today. Remember, every little craft and you make is not just an object but a reflection of your imagination, love, and creativity. So thank you for so much for joining me in this journey of exploring the wonderful benefits of crafting. One of the most beautiful benefit of crafting is the joy of getting a handmade card. This mindfulness is healing for people facing stress, grief, or even physical illness. Some therapists use crafting as part of treatment because it helps patients relax, express emotion, and regain confidence. This not only saves money but also promotes eco-friendly living. Each recycled craft project is a small step toward a cleaner and greener earth. Crafting also helps our planet by recycling materials like bottles, jars, fabric scraps, or old newspaper. We reduce waste and give new life to things that would otherwise be thrown away. So, another wonderful benefit is that crafting can turn into an income source. Handmade items are always in demand because people love unique and personalized products, from selling online to participating in local fairs. Many people turn their crafting skills into a small business. For children, crafting also brings people together, whether it's family making holiday decorations, friends attending a workshop, or online crafting communities share ideas. These activities build bonds and friendships. So, for many people, crafting is not just about the art, it's about sharing stories, laughter, and experiences while crafting something beautiful together. So, there's nothing quite like the joy of finishing a handmade holiday. Holding something in your hands that you created from scratch gives a deep sense of pride. Crafting reminds us that we are capable of bringing our ideas into reality. These boost self-confidence, especially for children and beginners who feels motivated when they see their skills improving day by day. In today's world, everything feels rushed. By crafting teach us the opposite fashions, patience. Crocheting a piece of clothing, painting a detailed designs, or creating ornaments take time and focus. Every small step adds up to the masterpiece. This practice builds discipline and helps us stay committed not just in art but in every area of life. Creating opens the doors of creativity. Every time we work on a project, we are deciding, solving problems, and making choices. Which color should I use? How can I recycle this old jar into something useful? Should I add fabric button or glitter? These little decisions strengthen our imagination and problem solving skills. Over time, over time, this creativity doesn't just stay in our craft room, it spills over into everyday life, helping us find new solutions and fresh ideas. Think about how peaceful it feels when you paint, stitch, or fold paper. Your breathing slows down and your heart rate calms, and you feel a wave of relaxation. That's the healing power of creation. One of the biggest benefits of crafting is the way it supports our mental health. When we sit down with our tools, materials, and imagination, our brain enters a calm and focused state. This reduces stress, anxiety, and negative thoughts. Many researchers even compare crafting to meditation because it helps us stay present in the moment. So, thank you for joining me in this journey on exploring the wonderful benefits of crafting. These creating keep inspiring, and keep spreading joy. Thank you so much. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. Thank you so much for joining me today. And we are trying to bring for you that amazing collection and creation for everyone who wants to create something different and unique for their life. So, thank you. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We are giving you the best and amazing advantages, amazing ideas for everyone who wants to create something unique and different. These crafting ideas are very amazing.